Current app is mainly built as a mobile banking and cash management app that combines checking-style features with budgeting tools in one place. By the end, you'll know what Current actually does well, where it falls short, and whether switching from your current banking app makes sense for your situation. Start with what matters most. Current is useful if you want early access to direct deposits and simple spending tools in one app. That means it focuses more on everyday money movement than advanced investing or complex financial planning. Now break down the core features people care about. First, spending and debit use. Current provides a debit card connected to your account, so you can spend directly from your balance in stores or online. This is standard for modern mobile banking apps, but Current adds budgeting tools that track spending automatically by category. That helps you see where your money is going, without manually entering transactions. Second, early paycheck access data. Some users can receive their paycheck earlier, depending on employer setup and deposit timing. This feature is designed for people who rely on faster access to funds between pay cycles. Now, explain where users get confused. Current is not a replacement for full traditional banking for everyone. If you need things like advanced loan options, business banking tools, or complex credit building products, it may feel limited compared to larger banks or specialized fintech apps. Now cover fees and trade-offs in a simple way. Like most digital banking apps, certain services can depend on account type or usage patterns. So it's important to review the in-app details before relying on specific features. Now, talk about who it actually fits. Current works best for people who want a clean mobile-first banking setup, simple budgeting, and faster access to deposits when available. It is less ideal if you want a full financial ecosystem with investing, loans, and credit optimization all in one place. Now give a clear comparison mindset. If your current bank already gives you what you need without friction, switching may not add much value. If your current setup feels outdated or slow, Current can feel more modern and easier to manage day to day. Quick summary. Current is a mobile banking app focused on spending and budgeting. It offers some early deposit features, and it is best for simple everyday money management. One practical next step. Download. Open your current banking app and compare its features directly with Current before switching, especially around deposits and budgeting tools. Like and subscribe for straightforward app breakdowns without hype or confusion.